I can't do this. I have the hiccups. I just got them like a minute ago. Okay, let's do go Rihanna John here. And I'm about to show you something. So oh my gosh, this hiccup is annoying me. So this is the new ant farm. Oh my freaking god.
I can't believe Mr. Grundy flew us to New York.
And first of all, I already knew that Fletcher. I already knew that Fletcher was already going to get the opportunity to move to New York. I already knew him. I already knew he was gonna do it, and I didn't check it until today. Okay.
I borrowed them to make these comically large paper dolls. Aw, they're holding hands. We are holding hands. And they're dolls and you're a doll. He's nauseous and I'm nauseous.
Okay, everyone. This is it. 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Oh, come on.
Where are you going? It's a work day.
What? We have to work here? And wear ugly shirts?
Yes. Why pay employees when I can make my students unpaid interns? Welcome to the Z Store, where you will be selling all my stuff with a smile.
Sorry, Leah Zucker.
Replacing an S with a Z. I just wanted to show you this so if you didn't see it, you can see it on the channel. And you can also see it at 10. I'm sorry, but I need to see if it's on. Let me see if it's on tomorrow. So this is new, and also dog with the blog, fish hooks. Okay, so I'm about to go to Saturday. See, it says Saturday right there. Oh shoot. Did I just exit? No. Then I can just go in.
At least I caught a few of you. Thank goodness. I'm going to need help handling the crowds.
What crowds?
So it might come on back at 10 o'clock a.m.
Well, maybe I should have spent a little bit more on the "we're open" sign.
Someone should be here. Where is everybody?
I said maybe.
Jack be nimble. The Z phone ain't nothing but a status symbol. Let me school you. Gather around my scholars. You're getting poor while they worth $50 billion.
How could he say that? Z-Tech is worth $55 billion.
That's Ty from. I mean, his name is Ty, but he's Rashawn Fagan. So, he's a guest star. So, if you haven't watched it, you can watch it again. Just have a look out. You can be up all night because it's Saturday. So, I'll see you guys later. I hope I get rid of this hiccup somehow. I'm about to go downstairs and get some water. So, peace.